94% accuracy, and it's a road. Road is also considered as a settlement, and for bare land. So this type of geological is a bare land. It's okay. So we find out this type of model. It show the result is that 95% accuracy of this model, and you can see first time it showed the 87% or 83%. But when I include this type of other feature, and it also help you to increasing the accuracy of your map. Okay. So it's very important. It's called the feature engineering. So it's very important when you make the complex land use land cover classification. Okay. What is the complex LULC? Suppose complex LULC, we can say that example. Suppose I am to classify forest, trees, cropland at the same time. It's one kind of complex land use land cover classification. Suppose another example. Suppose I am to classify lake water, also classified suppose river water. It's one kind of complex LULC classification. Suppose I want to classify rice, jute, sugar cane, or different types of crops at the same time. It's one kind of complex land use land cover classification, because this type of features are the similar spectral signature bands. Okay, so bands are the similar spectral because all are the vegetation. Okay, all are the water. So bands spectral signature is the similar. So all are the cropland. So bands spectral signature is similar. So now how I can distinguish, how I can differentiate different types of classes. So for that we need to add feature. We need to add the feature engineering. We need to apply the feature engineering, different types of bands or indices. Suppose we can add EVI, we can add SAVI, vegetation related indices. Okay, NDVI, okay, CVI. So you can search, you can find out lot of vegetation related indices when you classify it at the same time all of classes. So then you try to add this type of vegetation indices which help you to distinguish the different types of classes and also help you to improving the accuracy. Okay, as well as suppose water body, when you classify lake water, river water, so then try to add some features. Suppose NDWI, we can add the AWEI, we can add NDWI. So different types of water related index. So it's very important for the feature engineering because it's also help you to improving the accuracy and also help you to get the more better map.